Getting a new smart TV can be exciting, but setting it up can be tricky. Here's how to do it easily and quickly. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you find this video helpful. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to set up your new smart TV. From unboxing to connecting it to the internet, we have got you covered. We will guide you through the initial setup process step by step. This includes adjusting picture settings and ensuring your TV is connected to all your devices. By the end of this video, you will have your smart TV up and running. You will be able to enjoy your favorite shows and apps without any hassle. First, let's talk about unboxing your new smart TV. Carefully remove your TV from the box and place it on a flat surface. Make sure you have all the accessories like the remote power cable and any other cables that came in the box. Next, attach the TV stand or mount it on the wall if you prefer. Follow the instructions in the manual for this step. It is important to do this correctly to ensure your TV is secure. Now, plug in the power cable and turn on your TV. You will see a welcome screen asking you to select your language. Use the remote to make your selection. After selecting your language, you will be asked to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Choose your network and enter the password. This will allow your TV to connect to the internet. Once connected to the internet, your TV may prompt you to download software updates. It is a good idea to do this to make sure your TV has the latest features and fixes. Now, you will need to sign in to your TV's account. This could be a Google, Samsung, or other account depending on the brand of your TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in or create an account if you do not have one. After signing in, your TV will guide you through some basic settings. This includes setting the time and date and adjusting the picture and sound settings to your liking. Next, you will want to connect your other devices like a Blu-ray player, soundbar, or game console. Use the HDMI ports on the back or side of your TV. Make sure each device is powered on and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Your TV may have several HDMI ports. Label each port in the settings menu so you know which device is connected to which port. This will make it easier to switch between them later. Some smart TVs also support Bluetooth. You can use this to connect wireless headphones or speakers. Go to the Bluetooth settings and put your device in pairing mode to connect. Now it's time to explore the apps on your smart TV. Most TVs come with popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime pre-installed. You can also visit the App Store to download more apps. To download new apps, open the App Store on your TV. Browse or search for the apps you want and select Install. Once installed, these apps will appear on your home screen. If you have a cable or satellite box, you will need to connect it to your TV. Use an HDMI cable to connect the box to your TV. Then use the input button on your remote to switch to the correct HDMI input. You can also use screen mirroring to display content from your phone or tablet on your TV. This can be handy for sharing photos or videos with friends and family. To set up screen mirroring, go to the settings menu on your TV and select screen mirroring. Follow the prompts on your phone or tablet to connect. Finally, you might want to set up parental controls to restrict access to certain content. This can be done in the settings menu. You can set a PIN to prevent children from accessing inappropriate content. Remember to keep your TV's software up to date. Check for updates regularly in the settings menu to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. That's it for part 1 of our guide to setting up a new smart TV. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will cover more advanced settings and tips. For part 2, we will discuss the steps to take for dealing with common issues related to setting up a new smart TV. One common issue is the TV not connecting to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your router is working properly. If other devices can connect, try restarting the TV and router. Another issue is the picture quality not looking right. Go to the Settings menu and adjust the picture settings. You can change the brightness, contrast, and color to your liking. Sometimes the sound might not be clear. Check the sound settings on your TV. You might need to adjust the equalizer or choose a different sound mode. If your remote is not working, try replacing the batteries. If it still does not work, you might need to repair it with your TV. Follow the instructions in the manual for this. You might also have trouble with certain apps not working. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. If that does not work, check for any software updates for your TV. Connecting external devices can sometimes be tricky. Make sure you are using the correct HDMI port. Also, check that the device is powered on and set to the correct input on your TV. If your TV is not recognizing a device, try using a different AB cable. Sometimes the cable can be faulty. Also, try a different HDMI port on your TV to see if that solves the issue. Lastly, if your TV is running slow, it might need a restart. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. This can help clear any temporary issues. Before we move on to the rest of the video, if you are finding this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment, as it really helps this video reach a wider audience. Here is a case study related to the ultimate guide to setting up a new smart TV. John from Manchester recently bought a new smart TV. He encountered several issues during the setup, including trouble connecting to Wi-Fi and poor picture quality. John followed the steps mentioned earlier, restarting his router and adjusting picture settings. He also updated the TV's software, which fixed most of the issues. John also faced problems with his remote not working properly. He replaced the batteries and repaired it with his TV. John made sure to label each HDMI port for his external devices, which made switching between them easier. By following these simple steps, John was able to enjoy his new smart TV without any further issues. If you are dealing with Wi-Fi connection problems, try restarting your router and TV first. Make sure your network is working fine by checking other devices. Adjust the picture and sound settings in the TV menu to get the best quality. For remote issues, replacing batteries and repairing can often solve the problem. If apps are not working, try reinstalling them or checking for software updates. Always label your HDMI ports for easy switching between devices. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It really helps us and is greatly appreciated.